So how long have you been working in manufacturing?
Like in general or
in
just
general?
In general, I've been working in the manufacturing for the last 10 years.
Too long. 25, 26 years.
Yeah.
Somewhere around here.
Why do you like working in manufacturing?
I like it. It's fun. I like it because it's fun. Do different things. Do different type of things. It's not only the same thing over and over. Different types of stuff.
Because it's something that I like to do, you know what I'm saying? Because I believe it's one of my abilities. I like to do things with my hands that can challenge my mind and allow me to learn multiple things like that. So.
Very cool. What advice do you have for a senior in high school who wants to join the manufacturing workforce?
Basically, it's all about willing to do the things that you always like to do. I mean, so anything that you're capable of doing. So that's what I would say. Like anything that you believe you can do with your natural abilities. So just go for it.
What are the top 3 manufacturing industries?
I know milk is one. I forgot the other one, so I got the other 2. Milk, food.
That's one.
That's one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, one of them is transportation.
Transportation,
so planes,
yeah,
cars.
exactly,
So what
exactly.
is the
That's
second
true.
one?
Uh-huh.
We use that every day too.
All right.
Gives us energy.
Exactly. Yeah.
Oh, that's right. Cars. That's right.
Transportation.
Transportation,
planes,
automobiles, and tools, I guess.
Tools. Yep. Fabricated metals.
Tools, yes.
What are the top 3 states in manufacturing industry? Take some guesses.
Connecticut.
Two more guesses. Think big.
Texas.
That's one.
Texas, California.
That's 2.
New York.
This one's in the Midwest.
Utah.
Close. Ohio.
Ohio.
How many workers are in the manufacturing industry in the nation, roughly?
I have no clue.
To the million.
I know one, 'cause that's me.
700.
12.3 million.
12.3. Oh.
12.13 million, which is 9% of the workforce.
I see.
Now, how much of the nation's energy do you think manufacturers consume on a percentage basis? What do you think?
Energy? Energy? Oh.
Yeah.
It used to be more than half, but it's not like that anymore. I don't know, probably about a quarter of it? Quarter of it? Somewhere around there?
Very close. 30%.
Wow.
Yeah. What is the oldest manufacturing industry in Connecticut?
I don't know. I don't know the answer.
I give you one guess.
Okay.
They're thriving today, and they started in 1639. So what were they manufacturing in the early 1600s? What do you think? We use that every day too.
Oh, that's one of the toughest questions. I mean, no, I don't know. I'm not familiar about that.
It's a dairy farm.
Dairy farm? Oh,
Yeah.
Oh my god. Dairy farm.
It's in Orange, Connecticut. Yeah, Fieldview Farm. It's a dairy farm and machinery manufacturer.
Oh.